Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie. Today I'll be giving you a tour of the hostas in my garden. First up is the Hosta stained glass. This is a part shade hosta and it is hardy down to zone 3, so very reliable hosta, and I have this under the Japanese maple so it gets some shade, and the pink flowers you're seeing surrounding the hosta, those are dianthus. Next up is the Hosta undulata univitata, or the wavy plantain lily. If you notice how wavy the leaves are, this hosta is hardy also down to zone 3. The wavy hosta flowers very early in the season. Now here we have the Hosta August Moon. This is hardy down to zone 2, so it is a very sturdy one, and beautiful chartreuse green, a part shade hosta. This is the Hosta Twilight. It is a part sun hosta and it is hardy down to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Here we have the Hosta Abiqua Drinking Gourd, another zone 3 hosta, and the cool thing about this is that the leaves are more of a dark blue-green shade, and you'll see this more as it matures. This hosta is the Hosta Christmas tree. It is hardy also down to zone 3, and the good thing about this hosta is that it can tolerate a little bit more sun, and it is a very fast grower. Here are the purple flowers slowly emerging from the Hosta Christmas tree. This is one of my absolute favorite hostas. This is the Hosta Brim Cup. Hardiness zone is all the way down to zone 2. That's roughly minus 45 degrees Celsius. It comes with the heart-shaped leaves that are slightly cupped, and the newer leaves emerge with more of a yellow margin. This is the Hosta Whirlwind, zone 3 hosta. The center color looks like a little flame. It emerges white, but it slowly turns to lime green and to all green by midsummer. If I had to choose one hosta, it would be this. This is the Hosta Patriot. It is hardy also down to zone 3. It is a part sun hosta, which means it can tolerate a little bit more sun than your usual hosta, because most hostas are shade plants. but this one, it's just a beauty in the garden. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!